So why should you learn Power Automate? Simple. It saves time, reduces errors, and also makes you work smarter. Whether you're in HR, marketing, sales, admin, finance, or even running your own business, we all have those tasks that we do over and over again. With Power Automate, you can automate these tasks so you can focus on more important work, like making decisions, being creative, or just getting home earlier. More reasons to learn Power Automate is companies and organizations love automation. So if you learn Power Automate or if you learn automation, you are not just saving yourself some time, you are making yourself more valuable in the job market.